0 after.
And we're live on the Facebook page. Ang basketball is naman, Delta versus Leaders are up in league category. It's Net versus Sharip. Sharipi. Okay, play. First position of Delta. Nice pass. Acosta looking for Sharipi. Sharipi first basket proceeds. Air ball. Nice drive, net, side step, rebound, intercepted by Delta. It's all alone, now look, can you play? Oh, first basket and first shot of Delta, 2-0. Nice fake, nice move, short, rebound again on Sharipi. Now Ahmad. Open jump, too strong by Ahmad, rebound by Ne. Now Ne running, gunning, it's Ne. Ne side step, oh by Ne. 2-all. It's our first start of the game. Delta versus Leaders. Now Mosqueda. Mosqueda now, the Iron Man Mosqueda to Ahmad. Ahmad looking for Sharipi. Sharipi big. Sharipi again, corner back, side step again, short. Rebound again by Leaders. All alone, goes to Rose, bang! 4-2. Now 2-point lead on Leaders. Mosqueda. The Iron Man now, the Iron Man by Mosqueda. Mosqueda looking for Sharipi. Sharipi to Mikilo, back to Sharipi. Looking for Ahmad. Ahmad after out the jump, and Ahmad nice fake. Ahmad short. Rebound by Ne. Baseball pass to Luka. It's Luka now. Luka all the way on Luka. 6-2. 4-point lead now. The Leaders. Now the Iron Man Mosqueda. In and out. Rebound again on the disc. Foul. Foul on number 0 on Ahmad. First personal foul on Ahmad. First team foul against Delta. Warning on number 2 on Leaders for the line of game. It's 7 minutes and 39 seconds. 6 against 2. 2-point lead on Leaders.
Thank you. No, there is pendant. May pendant na wala na yung pendant.
Pendant up?
Pendant here?
Yeah, is it on? Thank you.
10 seconds to shoot. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Leaders now 9-2.
Sino nakatipid? Number? 0?
Now Ahmad. 7 minutes. Ahmad run. Ahmad escape. Ahmad moving in at Sharipi. Run by 3. Sharipi again. Rebound on Leaders. Now intercepted by Ahmad. Sharipi. Oh, Sharipi. Now 4-9. 5-point lead on Leaders. Nice move. Now the rebound on the small guy and the small lead. Now Ahmad all the way by Sharipi. 6-9. Now 3-point lead on Leaders. Luka. Whoa! It's 11-6. What a play coming from Leaders.
Cody, number 2. Cody, Luka, Jers.
Now Ahmad. Sharipi. Cody. Open jump again. Rebound on Shers. Now 5 minutes remaining time. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Now Shers. Sharipi. Now Shers again. Looking for Ne. Ne guarding Ne. Looking for kick out passes to Luka. Looking for Cody. Short. It's now the Iron Man Mosqueda. Now the Iron Man, guarded by Ne. The Iron Man guarded by Cody. Iron Man looking for his teammate Ahmad. Paking po to Iron Man. The Iron Man na bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Iron Man, it's 9-11. 2-point lead now leaders. Cheers! Bang! Timeout! On Delta, now 14 against 9. 5-point lead on leaders. Final ball game. It's 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. This is just our first game. First match. Up in league category, it's Lears versus Delta. Now Nokilio. Looking for the Iron Man, Musqueda. It's Jerepe. No hesitation shot. Short again by Jerepe. It's 5 minutes. Now Luca. Aune. Cheers. It's 3-second violation on Lears. It's 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
3 seconds.
Now the Iron Man, Musqueda. Looking for Ahmad. Ahmad, Cody. Ahmad for Dre. Short tap. It's Ne. It's rubbing violation on Ne. Turnover on Lears. It's 4 minutes and 20 seconds. First quarter. First game. Now Ahmad. Looking for Nokilio. First game. Black by Ne. It's 3-2 now. Ne. 1-1. Ne. Long roll. It's Ne. 16 against 9. Still again on Lears. 4 minutes. Luca. Too strong. Cody rebound. Pull up jump by Cody. 18 against 9. 9-point lead now on Lears. Jerepe. Nice boom. In and out again by Jerepe. Now running, gunning all the way. 20 against 9. 11-point lead now Lears. We're live on the Facebook page of Pasipisa. Now the Iron Man. Looking for Nokilio. Short. Now Cody. It's Cody now. 3-2. Cody stop up. Cheers. All alone. Too strong. Rebound on Cody. Top. Mitch. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. On Mitch. 3 minutes. Ahmad. Short. Rebound by it's Jerepe. Trying to be two. Jerepe mo. Penalty minutes. Wow. Foul on number 0 on Ahmad. Second personal foul against Ahmad. Second team foul against Delta. In and out. Nice pass. Now Mitch. Nice defense by Jerepe. 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Now Nokilio. Drive. Nokilio escape. Foul. Foul on 0. First personal foul on Sears. First on Leaders. It's 2 minutes and 29 seconds. 23 against 9. Now 23-10. 1-1 coming from Nokilio. It's 2 out of 2. Coming from Nokilio. Now Mitz. Luca. Back to Mitz. Elbow jumper by Mitz. Elbow by Mitz. It's 25-11. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. Now Ahmad. Skate. Steal again. On net. 2-1. Look at Tone. It's now Serepe. Serepe mo close to close on Serepe. Too strong. Cody. Now net. Bang! Nay! 27-11. Nice pass. How on a move, Riba? Oh, it's black. No, it's 9 liters ball. Liters. Luka. Now Cody. Rebound on Delta. 1 minute. Too strong on the Iron Man. Mosqueda. Now net, right leg goes by May. 29-11. 50 seconds. 47 seconds. 47. And to shoot! Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Goal, Cody! 25 seconds. Shot! Name, looking for Luka. Yes, sir, Luka, 34-11, 5 seconds. One second. And now for first quarter, 34 against 11. It's all by leaders. Second quarter, ready, second quarter. It's Delta ball, Delta. Delta ball, Delta. Now it's Mosqueda. Sharipi. Short. Rebound on Sharipi again. Side step. It's foul. Foul on number 12 on leaders. First personal foul on number 12 leaders. First team foul against leaders. Rebound on Salazar.
Hindi ko alam.
Turnover against leaders.
Kalin lang naman si Kalin.
Number, wala kayo number.
So, wala siya sa list.
Ahmad. Ahmad for 3 again. Short rebound on leaders. All alone. It's basket count in Sergio. It's 36 against 11. Leaders up by 25. Ahmad. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Ahmad. 36-14. Tuan. Too strong. Rebound by leaders. Now Ahmad. Pass to the Ironman, Mosqueda. Looking for Sherapi. Sherapi again. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sherapi! 36-17. Now it's leaders. Salazar. Pass to Khalil. 10 seconds to shoot. It's running violation on leaders. 8 minutes remaining time. 8 minutes.
Si Modric lang ang wala. Wala number 12.
Sharabi. Now it's the Ironman Mosqueda. Sharabi again. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sharabi. Salazar. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Salazar. It's raining 3. Oh, nice. Yes, now it's Sharabi looking for the Ironman Mosqueda. The Ironman now looking, it's now back big. Looking at down, now it's right. 1-1 big, nice move. Foul. Foul on number 15 on Khalil. It's second team foul on leaders. First against Khalil. Against 239. Now 2-2, 22 against 239. 17-point lead on leaders. Now Sergio looking for Tuan. Back to Sergio. Now Sergio running, Sergio stop, it's foul. Foul on number 69. On Delta, first personal foul on number 69, first team foul on Delta. It's 7 minutes. 39-22. Ten to shoot. One. Yes, so Tuan. 41-22. Stepping on the line on Salazar. Ahmad. Shala. 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Sergio. Salazar. Oh, it's basket count and one. 43. Foul on Ahmad. It's third on Ahmad. Second team foul on Delta. Rebound on Serapi. Khalil. Intercepted. Chala. 8-second violation. 8-second violation. Sergio. Khalil. Now the Ironman running the Ironman Mosqueda. 24-43. Salazar. Steal again on the Ironman. 2-on-1. Ironman to Chalak. Oh, he's still on Khalil. Now Tuan, Salazar. In and out. Tuan again rebound. Tuan, 1 and 1. Back to Salazar. Salazar moving. Salazar. Rebound again. Oh, now 25 to 24. All by leaders. Now it's the Ironman now. Jump. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Oh, the Ironman. Mosqueda. Nice move! Rebound by Charak. Now the Ironman. Second time around. Short up. Rebound again on leaders. Agosa. It's short. Time out. On Delta, it's 47-27. 40-20 down leaders.
Second half, yeah, you gotta stay your whole 10. You gotta play the whole 10 minutes.
Remits.
You okay?
2 minutes and 50 seconds. Nice pass, nice ball. Basket count. And 1. Foul on Sheriff. It's 13 foul on Delta. First personal foul on Sheriff. Khalil! Whoa! It's Khalil! 51-27. Now the Ironman Mosqueda. Looking for Cherepi. Salah. Ahmad. In and out. Cherepi. Bang! Walang Ahmad na labay! 29-51. Foul. Foul on number 12. Now 13 foul on leaders. 2 minutes. Fifty-one to 29, our score. Ahmad. Whoa! Now 31-51. Sergio. Salazar. Bang! 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 Oh, Salazar. One minute and 20. Foul. Foul on number 9 on Sergio. First on Sergio. Warning for penalty on leaders. It's Sherabi. Rebound again on leaders. Sergio all alone. Nice and selfish pass for Sergio to Salazar. 1 minute. half. Foul on number 13, Sergio. Penalty. Now leaders over the limit. Penalty, net penalty.
They didn't got you started.
32-56.
And no
50 seconds. 50 seconds. Just stand there. You can rest also.
56-33. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Salazar, 20 seconds. 25. Should have taken rebound. Whoa! Basket count and one on the rubber. Ala number 15 on Khalil. It's a warning for Katikala number 15 on continuous complaining. Warning on Khalil. Short. And now for second quarter, score 59-35. All by leaders.
All play already, huh? Wait, it's very good now. That report. Good. Yeah.
That's smart, huh?
Yeah, very good now. You go wait.
How are you? I did the transfer, huh?
Huh?
For my 200 just now, like 1 hour ago.
Third quarter. It's leaders go, leaders.
Doa pa highlight pero. Doa pa highlight. Doa pa highlight. Doa ini.
It's leaders go, leaders.
Cody, Julian, Majesty, me, Demon.
Now Julian now in the ball game. Sir Demon. Neck, short. Rebound top. Cody. What a move by Cody. Now it's Iron Man, Nakilio. It's running violation of Nakilio, double violation by Ross Weiser Demon. Julian. Out! Turnover again on the leaders. 9 minutes. 61 against 235. Wow, struggling violation again by Delta. Back-to-back turnover on Delta. It's 9 minutes to make time. 61-35. It's a 30-point lead on Delta. 25-point lead on Delta. On leaders. 25-point lead on leaders. Steal by Serabe. Oh, 37 against the 61. Ne, too strong, top. 10 seconds to shoot. Julian, Cody, shot, rebound by Serabe. Chalak. Now it's Sir Devon. Yes, it's 63 against the 37. Now it's 2-2. It's now all alone. It's Julian. 60 tama. On Delta. Seven minutes and 41 seconds. Serabe, thank you for watching live on My Love Pips Tomato. Ne, 67 and to 37. One of our viewers watching live. It's Pico Di Martel. Serabe, drive. Whoa! Short! Outside. Bang! It's there! Now Serabe. Too strong. Cody. Net. Yeah! Basket's down on net. Foul on the Iron Man. Mosqueda. First personal foul on Iron Man Mosqueda. First team foul on Delta. And again, thank you for watching our live. Bang! Money, Cody! 74 to 37. 5 minutes. It's there. 26 to 37. Short. Substitution of Sabra.
Thank you.
14.
To who, guys?
Luca.
Sabra substitution.
I thought yes. I thought someone called me. That's why. I know what you.
Ne. 38 against 37.
Next time. Can I call you the sub later? Next time. Thank you.
So 18 to 37. 4 minutes and 15.
Make a foul, Ton. Make a foul.
Ne! Foul. Oh, substitution, substitution. Yes, Johnny!
Let's have one منهم العبوا. Let's have one. نفدوهم.
Okay.
3 minutes and 20 seconds. Bang! Money! On Mitch. 85-37. Bang! On the Iron Man, Mosquera. 40-85. Luka, Julian. Too strong. It's Ne. Meets again. 10 seconds to shoot. 5. Bang! Money, Julian. 88-40. Sure up, 1-1 by Julian.
You got 2 minutes to make it.
Foul on number 7 on Julian. First personal foul on Julian. First against leaders is 2 minutes and 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. It's leaders ball. Leaders. Julian, intercepted again on Mosquera.
ما علي عادي.
Ne. Nice move by Ne. 90-40, 50-40 now. On leaders, foul. Foul on number 72 on Ne. Second team foul on leaders first. Against Ne. Now the Iron Man Mosquera. Guarded by Beats. Sharipi. 1-1. Too strong by Sharipi. Rebound by Ne. Now Mitch. Looking for Luka. Waiting for Mitch. Now Mitch up and down again. Favorite shot. Short top. Rebound on Delta.
لا تسوي لهم سالفة.
أيوه.
Now it's Julian. 1 minute. Seconds. Now the Iron Man, 1-1. Nice. Oh! Turnover again on Delta.
Diniretso, coach. Kanili up.
30 seconds.
Ow! Ow!
What? What?
Warning on leaders for broken my TV.
خلاص change the score.
29 seconds, 29. 90 against 40. All by leaders. Too strong, Julian. 20 seconds. It's still now. It's still now drive. Looking for them. It's fake. Whoa! 10 seconds. Sheriffy. Top. Sheriffy again. Whoa, and Sheriffy again. 44-90. And now for third quarter score, leaders by 56, 90 against 44.
We play all now.
But what?
Third quarter, last quarter, last quarter. Last quarter, 44-90, it's leaders. Up by 56. Our next game for our 40 above category. It's Papa Bowls versus Mixed Squad. Delta Ball, Delta. Sheriffy. Same ball. 14 to shoot, 14 to shoot. Now the Iron Man, Mosqueda. 10 seconds to shoot. Sheriffy. Too strong on the Iron Man. Now Sergio running on. Whoa! Now in and out. Sergio again. Looking for Salazar. Salazar. Drive. Salazar now looking for Kalel. Ano mo by Kalel? 92. Against 44. 9 minutes. Now Sheriffy 1-1. Sheriffy again. Bang! Nothing but net coming from Sheriffy. Khalil. Looking for Demon. Pass outside. Demon! It's a miscommunication of my leaders. 8 minutes and 50 seconds. All by leaders. Block. Look up. Oh! Struggling violation on leaders. Now the Iron Man now, 1-1 by Khalil. Iron Man move! Iron Man is foul! Foul on number 15 on Khalil. It's third personal foul on Khalil. First team foul on leaders. 8 minutes and 11 seconds remaining time on the last quarter. Inbounding Sheriffy. Miscommunication again. Not Delta. Khalil to Sergio is foul. Second personal foul, number 69. On Agustina. Second first team foul on Delta.
After basket.
Yeah.
Make the basket. Do it on the first quarter.
Khalil! Khalil! 494 to 46. Shot.
Let's hop in the wood.
Nice move.
Watch out.
Wow! Substitution. Foul on Sir Demon. It's first on Sir Demon. Second team foul against the leaders. Substitution sub. Khalil out. Tuan in. 47-94. It's 2 out of 2 out of Godzilla. Now 94 to 48. And you're watching live on the Facebook page. The basketball is short. People again, second time around. Same ball, 40% at 40. Tuan, Salazar. Nice ball! Not a play again by the leaders. It's 96 to 48. Nice move by Majesty. Now it's the Iron Man, guarded by Majesty. Iron Man again pick. Sheriff for three. Bang, bang, bang! Oh, Sheriff! Nice move, short. Rebound now, it's Ravi. It's 2-2. Sheriff goes to goal. Oh, you're not top by Rima by Tuan. Now it's 3-2. Move, take. Time out! On the right, it's 99 against 52, all by leaders. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, Horror Sports, Basketball Islamay, Chewy, and the Inkers Abu Dhabi. Shirt. Now it's the Iron Man. Looking quick a pass. Jalak. Short. Sergio. It's Sergio. 101 to 52.
Next whistle, can we swap? Thank you.
Now the Iron Man's game. Short, top, rebound again on leaders. Running move, for stop and 2. Whoa, again it's 103 on 52. 3 minutes. It's Sansan Majesty. 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
Make a foul to them.
Yeah. Guys, make a foul. I mean, small foul.
Tuan! Sergio! Let me down, Sergio! Now! Here out by Sergio's foul. Foul on Salazar. Substitution, substitution. Shout out, shout out. Short. It's now by leaders 2 minutes. Cody, 3-second violation on Majesty. Now 1 minute and 56 seconds. 105 to 52. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On the Iron Man Mosqueda. 105, 55, 50 point win on leaders. Tony! Stop up! Tuan! Luca! Oh, what a play with a move the ball. It's Luca coming from Cody to Tuan. Nice play. Short. Foul. Foul on the Iron Man. Mosqueda, second Mosqueda. Second team foul on Delta. Substitution up, sub. 1 out. It's Julian in 1 minute and 14. Cody! 1 minute. Oh, ano ba yung chalap? It's Luca. Julian. 55 seconds.
Come on, man.
Cody. 40 seconds. Nice move by Jurape. 5709.
Stay in the game.
Game time! Oh, it's Julian! 111 to 57.
Ayan.
10 seconds! All on Jurape. It's 9 seconds. It's technical foul on Jurape for delaying the game. Nine seconds.